Unlocking the passive voice. Master English grammar with ease. Hello language learners. Today we're going to unravel a mystery in English grammar that's essential for effective communication, the passive voice. Specifically, we'll be focusing on converting sentences from active voice to passive voice. This is a key skill that can make your English sound more fluent and versatile. So, buckle up and let's get started. In English, sentences can be in either the active voice or the passive voice. When we use the active voice, the subject of the sentence performs the action. On the other hand, in the passive voice, the subject of the sentence has the action done to it. Let's look at a simple example. Active voice. John ate the apple. John is the subject and he is doing the action of eating. Passive voice. The apple was eaten by John. The apple is the subject and the action of eating is done to it. Remember, in the passive voice, the focus is more on the action and less on who or what is performing the action. So, how do you convert an active sentence to a passive one? Well, there are 3 basic steps to follow. 1. Identify the object in the active sentence. This will become your new subject in the passive sentence. 2. Use the correct form of the verb, to be, according to the tense in the active sentence, followed by the past participle of the main verb. 3. Move the subject of the active sentence after the verb, and introduce it with by when necessary. Let's practice this with a few examples. Active. Lisa is writing a book. Passive. A book is being written by Lisa. Active. They have closed the store. Passive. The store has been closed by them. Remember, not every sentence needs to be converted to the passive voice, but knowing how to do it can give you more flexibility in your English writing and speaking. Now, it's your turn to put what you've learned into practice. Convert the following active sentences into passive sentences. 1. I am washing the dishes. 2. She will finish the project. 3. We are painting the house. 4. The dog chased the cat. 5. The teacher will grade the papers. Take your time. Use the steps we've discussed, and compare your answers with friends or classmates. And that's it. With practice, you'll become more comfortable in using the passive voice in your English communication. Don't forget, mastering any language skill takes time, so be patient with yourself and keep practicing. We hope this video has been helpful in your journey to learning English. Stay tuned for more grammar lessons. Happy learning, everyone!